Yo, I'm back and I see you back again to the channel. Today I'll be giving you guys tips and a simple strategy just to understand how you can be able to analyze. You know what to do. As you know, you're back to this channel. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends and families. See, today I'm all swagged up. See, with the workwear. You like the swagger? You like the swagger? Let's go into the charts. Let's construct. Yes, your favorite mentor, one and only Forex Hero. Yes, let's construct the chart. You see, as I'm wearing the workwear today, will be constructing, engineering the chart. As you all know me, your one and only Forex Hero, your Forex engineer, your favorite mentor. You know, I got many names. Your Sniper NT, your Sniper King. Guys, no drawdown king. Let's go. Guys, this strategy is helping both beginners and pro traders. Let's look at it this way. You have been trading for years and years, but you don't get that consistent level. You don't get to withdraw the amount that you need to withdraw. It's simple. It's just following methods that are tried and tested and also applying your risk level. Look at it this way. I'll be showing you guys a simple method. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of things, but I'll be showing you guys just about how to identify chart patterns on US30, Dow Jones, and also be able to take your entries. Right now I'm on daily time frame. Always remember that don't take longer chart patterns, because what it happens in a volatile market, the market tends to do something like this. Sometimes it doesn't complete the chart pattern, or it takes longer to complete. Simple thing with this one, you can see it pushed, retest, and then pushed here. But how long did it take for it to reach this level? Okay, sometimes what happens is that you get moves that don't even touch the 90%, as we know, we explain it. Sometimes you get something that reverses like this. So we do know that in most cases we have situations like this, and we have something like this. You see, but you see, you could have said, mostly in what happens in currencies, you could have said, with the third touch I'm gonna buy, but you can see it broke, and then sometimes what it does, it breaks, pushes, and then retest further up. But if you're using your fib level, you'll be getting clear understanding that it's not reversing out of nowhere. So let's just draw our fib and see where the reverses are. You can see with this downtrend that was broken, you can see using this point, if you take it from body to body, using this, you can see that we had a correction here and a support. We had something as well here, and we had something as well here, But can you see that we are not on these lines? Let me draw these lines, the fib lines, so that you can be able to understand what I want to show you. Okay, you see our support, this one is above. So simply saying that if we had placed our buys here, and then our stop loss would have to give it a little bit of a room. You can also put it here below this low, because you can see here you don't have a standing low, but here you have one, and then you take it all the way to the top. You see that will be a very simple way of taking this trade. But Once again, look at it this way. You see this week, it was a stop loss high. You can see it pushed, but didn't further go to the upside. So it closed here at this support level. Okay, so this will basically, these weeks are just top patterns. Let's dive deeper. Now I'm gonna be giving you guys simple identification of the chart patterns. So always make sure whenever you see something like this, so what you should do, you should leave it like this. Don't force and push it here. Yes, indeed you can see a retest here. We can rather push it further once it comes to retest, because this in other time frames like your 1 hour, it's closed below and you could have said, okay, fine, I'm selling to the downside. So you can use it here. So most of the time, if you're still a beginner, I would suggest that you use a line chart. Using a line chart will definitely help you. Let's go to the line chart so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can see on a line chart it becomes a little bit easy. So in most cases you can do this. So that you have a channel, so that you don't leave other information outside. So you can see it puts everything here. But also this one, it's also significant because it touches your immediate close and open of candles. You see? So let's use this one. Then you have a situation here, something like this. Okay. Always remember that whenever you are on daily, some of the patterns won't be visible. So let's look at it at a much better confirmation. Okay, then I can see, and I can go to my 4 hour. Just realigning lines, and then a simple head and shoulder here. So this identification of patterns comes with practice. You see this one, head and shoulders, but before you saw that this was gonna be a head and shoulders, you see it's a head and shoulders. I'll remove it just here. Before you saw that, you would have had something like this. Something like this. So as you can see, the market is rejecting. Look at this spikes, look at the rejection candle. It definitely shows you that we are failing to break lower. You see, this is what happened there. You see, the head and shoulders. Then we had our break around here and a retest. Okay, then another one. Okay. I want you guys to see this one. We pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed. Yeah, let's put it like this. So this is what happened here. what happened here. This was a push to the upside and then corrected in this manner. So we do know that if you are having a push to the upside, something like this, and then moves, push, then the market starts to create a rising wedge, we expect a break. So that is what happened there. So we knew that we're gonna be capitalizing on taking short positions. Okay. Another one. So what I'm saying is that whenever you're taking this kind of trade, you can put your lines here, but when you put in your stop loss, take account of these lows so that you don't get caught up. Like for example, if you put your low here, you might have a situation where the market decides to push here before it pushes further down. So if your stop loss is here, it's below this lows, this is the lowest low, you are more than safe. If it's below this low, okay, this one, below this low, you are more than safe. So do you see what happened here? We have a move, push, a double bottom here, retest. So I want to show you guys this. This is a diagonal double bottom. So all those chart patterns that you usually see, sometimes they are not in a book format. Double bottom. Okay. You can see we are having 2 points here. Then we knew that this is a double bottom, and then we are at the diagonal support, and we are having a correction to the downside. So we're expecting a break to the upside. So you can see this is a correction. This is a correction, and then we pushed, and then it came here, retest, and then what happened? What happened here? Voila, another entry here. Your stop loss below this. So this is just one of those 80 to 85% strategy that you can use, and it's just here for free. All you need to do is click the like, subscribe, and share button so that you can share with other people, and also make sure that this channel will push it. It's all in you guys, and also comment below with the topics that you like me to tackle. So trading USDT can be easy as that. You just need to understand and see where the market is taking you. Simple thing, something like this. You see what's happening here? These two lights, they are both still playing above. You can see this one, there was a retest along this level. So I can see the retest around which point, this point. So the market decided to push up, remain in an uptrend, then boom, retrace before pushing up. So you can see that you are having these moves showing you direction. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. You know what to do. Catch me in the next video. Don't miss any of the profitable trades that we take. Join our free group as well. Peace.